Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this set of two wireless professional microphones for reviewing purposes, and I think that they are great because first of all, as you can see, they are a really nice designed microphones that fits perfectly upon your hand, and they are wireless. I've already placed, as you can see in here in my amplifier, the receiver. We can take it out, and it comes with a 3 millimeter jack adapter, which I think that it's perfect that you can just plug in or use it without it. As I have my amp, I can do it with both options, okay, which I think that it's nice. We have the power on button, and if one of the microphones is connected, there's a light. These microphones have a rechargeable battery that you can charge up with a type C entrance, which I think that it's nice, makes it really practical. I'm gonna connect it without the adapter like this. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on my microphone, and as you can see, it has a screen where we can see the battery that it has, the channel, and the megahertz and the signal that it has, which I think that it's really nice. As you can see, it's really easy to use them. You can just take them out and go into a party or anything that you need, which I think that it's really nice. You can obviously control the sound of the microphone through the amplifier by turning the volume knob up or down. But I think that it's nice that if we unscrew this tab right here, we can lower down the volume if we need it. Right now it's muted, or we can turn it up like this. Okay, I think that it's really nice. It's a great option to have, and overall, because I think that they are. Wait a second. Well, I think that they are really nice. They are perfect to use it at a party, any kind of conference room, and well, I think that they are great. As I've said, they are professional grade and they feel really of a really nice quality. I don't know if you can listen to the speaker, so let me get a bit. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do to test it out is I'm gonna take the microphone that I'm using to record the audio right now. As you can see, I can be talking and without the microphone, you ain't gonna listen to me. I don't know how much sound, but okay. And I'm gonna leave it near the amp so I can be talking just through the microphone set, which I think that is nice.
I don't know how much distance I need to place the wireless microphone that I'm recording the audio with, but I think that right there it's a nice sound. I'm gonna go ahead and take the other microphone from a bit. And well, as you can see right now, I am inside a building, and still it has a nice signal, which I think it's nice. And well, now I've got the other microphone right here. As I've said, it's a set of two microphones, which I think it's really nice. You get obviously two batteries for each one of them, and well, as I've said, you get obviously the Type C charging cable, which I think that is nice. That way you can charge up the receiver and both of the microphones, and the adapter that I just said a bit about the 3 millimeter jack audio to any kind of entrance, which I think it's great. Overall, I think that they are really nice. They are really easy to use, almost just plug and play. I didn't even have to configure the frequency which they are using, which I think that it's nice. Sometimes when you have to configure it, it's a little bit tedious, but I think that they are great. Obviously, you can set it up for different frequencies, and that's excellent, but still having the option to do it that easily, it's really nice. And overall, because they are really nice, feel of an amazing quality, I will really recommend them. See you guys.